Hi everyone. For the longest of time, it's always been a mystery as to how much money YouTubers are making. Making money on YouTube is much harder than one may think, and this is mostly due to YouTube's complicated algorithms and CPMs. These two factors are constantly changing, which is why it's impossible to give exact calculations. Finally, all estimates on this list are solely from YouTube ad earnings only, as we will not be taking into account sponsorships or any other external factors. Ready to begin? Well, let's get it on!
Real Annoying Orange, $3.4 million. At 2.1 billion or so views, YouTuber Real Annoying Orange is at number 10. Having amassed in and around $3.4 million over the course of the 5 years the channel has existed, there is clearly something about the incredibly irritating format that appeals to the masses. The videos originally followed the Annoying Orange and recorded its interactions with other food items. Its creator, Dane Bodegeimer, says that the idea for the very first video popped into his head while he was falling asleep one night, when he began laughing in bed and was unable to explain himself to his girlfriend since he was too embarrassed at the idiocy of the idea. That set the tone for the show's format fairly well, although it has unarguably proved successful. So much so that the web series is now a TV show on Cartoon Network. With an impressive net worth of $7 million and a staggering 5.4 billion views, is Swedish YouTuber PewDiePie. Real name Felix Arvid Ulf Kjellberg, PewDiePie's success arose from providing funny commentary on video games. In 2013, his channel overtook Smosh to be the most subscribed to channel on YouTube.
Love him or hate him, Logan's made quite a name for himself. And not so long ago, him and his brother were dominating the YouTube scene.
In your title and you can pay this month's rent. We know you're calling your lawyers, yeah, that's money well spent.
Logan is no doubt an internet sensation, and his vlogs have definitely created a loyal fan base. Similar to KSI, his boxing career has gained him the spotlight once again. However, it's also caused a decline in the frequency of his videos. With all that said, Logan is still one of YouTube's top influencers, and based on his monthly views, he's said to be making $2.6 million a year.
Lele Pons. Now Lele is one of the most popular female YouTubers on the platform, as she's gained a huge following on YouTube in a very short period of time. Now each day she does pull in millions of views, and due to this she is estimated to be making between $100,000 and $300,000 per month, and anything between $2 and $3.4 million per year.
Excuse me,
Let's face it, I was great.
No, listen to me. Listen to me. Excuse me?
You think you're famous?
Did he
Just remember, I'm great, you're not.
Did he just?
Did you ever think about that?
What did he do?
You think you have friends, but you don't.
You are not talented.
No.
You are very rude.
I understand you're jealous.
Want to step outside?
Ooh. I'm not leaving, you're leaving. This is my stage now.
Did he just?
My stage. Bye, everybody.
Dude, perfect. Now like Brave Wilderness, they too upload original content that isn't done much on YouTube because only few other channels actually compete with them. Due to this, they do gain millions of views per video, which is estimated to make them between $400,000 and $700,000 per month, and anything between $5 and $8.4 million per year.
Tower laser shot. Bingo.
Canada's own Vanos Gaming
who brought in $17 million. Vanos Gaming has almost 24 million subscribers, and he's Canada's most subscribed channel. In fact, he's from Toronto. He lives like not far from us. And he's only 26 years old. He's been making videos since he was 20. Vanos has been nominated for video games during the Video Game Awards back in 2014, and also was nominated at the Shorty Awards in 2016. He didn't win any of those, but he was still nominated. I mean, that's a huge feat in its own. And I know the gaming award just passed. The video games is just a huge thing. We have a lot of video gamers on this list.
And the number one spot on this list is the YouTuber known as Jake Paul, who is currently the most popular person on YouTube. Now, each day his channel does get at least 10 million global views. And due to this, he is estimated to make between $700,000 and $1.3 million per month, and anything between $9 and $15 million per year.
I ordered it from Italy and it's coming in 4 months, and it's like a super rare car. There's only like 5 of them that are in the world right now, and they're just demo cars. No one owns them, and the rest are being made in Italy. We have to wait 4 months to get it. But there's one right here in Beverly Hills, and my boy at Beverly Hills Lamborghini was like, yo, come on through, we have one of these cars here, you can check it out. And I'm like really impatient, so I gotta see it. Let's go.
Bro, it's literally a spaceship of buttons.
Like, what is life?
Y'all can't handle this. Y'all don't know what's about to happen, baby. Team 10, Los Angeles, Cali boy. But I'm from Ohio though, white boy. It's every day, bro, with the Disney Channel flow. 5 mil on YouTube in 6 months, never done before. Past all the competition, man. PewDiePie is next, man. I'm popping all these checks. Got the brand new Rolex, and then met the Lambo too. And they're coming with the crew. This is Team 10, bitch. Who the hell up flipping you? And you know I kick them out if they ain't with the crew. Yeah, I'm talking about you. You begging for attention, talking shit on Twitter too. But you still hit my phone last night. It was 4:52, and I got the text approved, and all the recordings too. Don't make me tell them the truth. And I just dropped some new merch, and it's selling like a god church. Ohio's where I'm from. We chew 'em like it's gum. We shooting with the gun. The tattoo just for fun. I Usain Bolt and run. Catch me at game 1. I cannot be outdone. Jake Paul is number 1. It's every day, bro. It's every day, bro. It's every day, bro. I said it's every day, bro. You know it's Nick Crompton and my collar stay poppin'. Yes, I can rap, and no, I'm not from Compton. England is my city, and if it weren't for Team 10, then the US would be shitty. I'll pass it to Chance, cause you know he stay litty.
2 months ago you didn't know my name, and now you want my fame? Bitch, I'm blowing up, I'm only going up. Now I'm going off, I'm never falling off like Mag who? DG who are you? All these beats I just ran through, hit 1 million a month. Where were you? Hating on me back in West Fake, you need to get your shit straight. Jakey brought me to the top, now we really popping off. Number 1 and number 4, that's why these fans all at our door. It's lonely at the top, so we all going. We left Ohio, now the trio's all rolling. It's Team 10, bitch, we back again. Always first, never last, we the future. We'll see you in the
It's every day, bro. It's every day, bro. It's every day, bro. I said it's every day, bro.
Hold on. Can we switch the language?
We better hit it.
Sé,
Lo único que quiero es dinero.
trabajando en YouTube todo el día entero.
Viviendo en USA, el sueño de cualquiera.
Enviando dólares a mi familia entera.
Tenemos una persona por encima.
Se llama Donald Trump y está en la cima.
Desde aquí te cantamos.
Can I get my visa?
Martínez Twins representando a España.
Desde la
It's
pobreza.
every day, bro. It's every day, bro. It's every day, bro. I said it's every day, bro.
Yo, it's Tessa Brooks. The competition shook. These guys up on me. I got him with the hook. Let me educate ya. And I ain't talking book. Panera is your home, so stop calling my phone. I'm fly like a drone. They buying like a loan. Yeah, I smell good. Is that your boy's cologne?
Is that your boy's cologne? Started balling quick in loans. Now I'm in my flipping zone. Yes, they all copy me, but that's some shitty clones. Staying all designer clothes, and they ask me what I make. I said it's